Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to update Windows Defender Antivirus Database using either partially offline or online method. So without further more delay, let's begin. So the first method is using the partially offline method. That means what I mean to say is that means it's not completely offline, partially offline. That is, for this what you need to do, just open any web browser and search this in the Google search, Windows Defender Offline Update. Just search this name, and once you search this name in the Google search, you will get lots of websites. So here you can see latest security intelligence updates for Microsoft Defender or Microsoft Security Essential, whatever it may be. In the Windows 10 it's named as Windows Defender Antivirus or Microsoft Defender Antivirus, or if you're using a Windows 7 then it's named as Microsoft Security Essentials. So whatever the name may be, but the antivirus is almost the same. So just click on this first website link. So now you can see its web page. Now just scroll down below. Now here you will get tons of options. You can see here tons of options. Now the antivirus name may be different for respective Windows operating system. That is, for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 it is named as Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Now here you will get options 32-bit, 64-bit, even for ARM. And if you're using a Microsoft Security Essential, this is almost the same, then you can download the 32-bit or the 64-bit, whatever versions of antivirus you are using. So download that version. If you're using a 32-bit, then download the 32-bit virus database, and even you can see others. So we'll not discuss much about below things. So we'll just discuss about these three: first, second, and third. So right now I'm using a Windows 10. So for me it will be Microsoft Defender Antivirus for Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. So right now I'm using a 64-bit. So what I will do, just click on 64-bit. It will take you to the download page. As you can see here, 126 MB. It's started to download, but already I have updated, so I'm not going to download it. So I'm just pausing it. So you can download it like this, and after downloading, what you need to do, after downloading this exe file, just double click it to run it and install it without needing internet connections. So this is what I mean partially offline update. So using this method you can partially update any Windows Defender Antivirus using this method. Now using the online method, we have different ways to update the virus database for the Windows Defender Antivirus or Microsoft Security Essential Antivirus, whatever the name you can call. So first method, just open the security applications or the Windows Defender applications. Now you can see, so if you're using a Windows 10 then you will see this kind of interface, and if you're using a Microsoft Security Essential then just open the or launch that Microsoft Security Essential or Windows Defender Antivirus. So you can select the virus and threat protections. I'm sure if you are using any antivirus then it will be very common. You will be knowing that how to update. Then you can see here check for updates. When you click on this check for updates, it will take you to the updates, and now once you click on this check for updates, it will directly check and download the virus database updates. So this is the first method while using an online method, directly by using the applications and updating the virus database. So this is the first method. And the next method is, if you're using a Windows 10 then you can use also Windows Update method. So you can click on Windows Update and you can just click on check for updates. Then it will find out if any updates, whether it's antivirus or any system updates available, it will display it and automatically it will start downloading. But the last method which I'm going to show here is much more convenient, since using a Windows Update will charge for almost even other updates like system updates also, so it may take a longer period of time to charge for this virus database update. So I will highly recommend the first method and the third method, which I'm going to show you now. So for this, just open the web browser and search this application name as Windows Update Mini Tool in Google search, and you will get tons of websites to download these applications. I highly recommend to use the first and the second, whichever you like. If you want, you can just use the second website also, though the first and second are trustworthy. You can choose the second one also. So here is the download options. Just download and install it firstly. It's a tiny application and totally free of cost. So don't worry whether you are using a Windows 10, Windows 7, whatever version of Windows you are using, these tools will gonna work for you. So I've already downloaded this application, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. So after that, what you need to do is just run this application. Now once you open this application, you can see its user interface. Now you can see here circle right arrow, just click on it. It will search for different updates, including the Windows Defender Antivirus updates. So wait for some seconds or some minutes depending upon your internet connections. So wait for some seconds until it finds out the updates for your respective antivirus. So finally you can see here the available updates for your respective computer is available. So you can see here the first one, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, and if you're using a Microsoft Security Essential, then it will show you Microsoft Security Essential Antivirus. So what you can do, just select this. So you don't need this one, the other one. So just select the virus database update, and you can see your options, install updates. Just click on it and wait for a few more seconds until it's get downloaded, and it will automatically install it. So you can see here the processing downloading. So you can see right now it's showing installing updates. So wait few more seconds. So you can see here installing updates. So it is installing your antivirus virus database update right now. So you can see here a message written installing updates succeeded. That means your virus database update has completely successfully done. So you can now close this application if you wish. Now your virus database is updated using this tiny yet very useful software. So these are the methods to easily update your Windows Defender Antivirus using either partially offline or completely online methods. So I will highly recommend to use the partially offline method. If you don't have a proper internet connections in your home, then you can download in respective areas or from your friends that virus database, and later you can bring it in their pen drive and you can update it offlinely. But if you have a good internet connections in your home or anywhere which computer you use, then you can use the online methods for yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.